Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 retouch tools. We're going to start with brush tool. We're going to choose brush tool from the tool section. Here is brush tool. After choosing that, we must reduce opacity and flow to 30%. Then we have to zoom in, make a copy of background layer, then resize your brush and start retouching. We have to press Alt key or Option on Mac to take a sample color, and then we're going to start to retouch like this, back and forth. We're going to take in sample here, also here, and also here, here. In this method, you have to make sure to not damage highlights and shadows. Let's go to second one. Here is the first one. It's like this. I'm gonna close the eye of the layer and then copy the background. The second way of retouching is with mixer brush. In the mixer brush, we have to make this. We have to close this one, and also we can close this one too. Okay, and our parameters will be like this, and then we're going to start retouching. We will do like previous one, like here, and if you need, you can a little bit zoom in. Just be careful of highlights and shadows. We don't want to damage our photo or even eliminate any highlights of or shadows of the photo. It's like this, before and after. And let's go to third method. I'll copy it again, and in this time I'll take stamp. Stamp is a little bit hard, but it's better than normal brush tool. Let's start to zoom in. In a stamp, we make flow 100% and opacity 30%. In order to retouch by stamp, we have to make a sample holding Alt key, and then we have to do like brush. But in here, we have to take care of this hair. Because of that, I'm taking sample from here, then do like this, and like this. I don't want to, if I take copy from here, I will have hair on it again. I don't want that. It will be like this. Then and the third one is this. So let's check which one is better. This is brush one, this is mixer brush, and this one is stamp. Stamp give nicer texture, and it's has own skin texture, but mixer brush gives softer texture, and brush is like this. I would rather to choose mixer brush because it gives softer texture on skin. So share me which of the methods would you like to prefer, and don't forget to subscribe me. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.